Now, I was reading through some articles a little bit earlier today about AMC stock, and I came across two very interesting articles. Both of them said that AMC is doomed to fall, and the other one said that AMC will have retail traders cashing out. Now, it's interesting that this narrative is coming back. This narrative of the mass media out there trying to sell us on the idea that the apes are leaving, that AMC is doomed to fail, that we're wasting our money. Guys, I haven't seen articles like this surrounding AMC stock since after we ran up in June, and the hedge funds were really scared that they were going to get margin called, and that they were going to lose all of their money, and that we were definitely on top. So I believe, okay, this is my opinion, but I believe the narrative might be shifting a little bit, especially because of some of the Google analytics that are out there. So let's discuss this a little bit further, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know where to buy stocks, you can use the link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. $100 deposit gets you at least 2 free stocks. And then right now, if you trade cryptocurrency as well, a $1 trade gets you at least $5 in free Shiba Inu coin. So make sure to check both of those things out down there if you're a crypto trader or if you're into the stock market. So let's talk about this, guys, because both of these articles, I read through them, and analysts, right, the mass media that promotes these analyst stories are kind of throwing the narrative out there that retail investors are running away. When in fact, this is the exact opposite of what is happening. The apes, it is very, very evident that the apes are here in AMC and we are staying in AMC. How do you know that? The price is sustaining levels. Sure, we've pulled back a little bit since June, but after bouncing off the mid-30s and coming back, we are in the 40s and we are holding very strong. They have not been able to push AMC stock below that $28 threshold that we saw a couple of months ago, and the support in the upper 30s and lower 40s is intense. Now, what is another thing that we can look at? And I love, you guys should know by now that I love to look at it, right? If you go out to trends.google.com, you can see that search volume for AMC stock has been rising over the last several weeks. Why is this important? More and more and more people are interested in what's going on with AMC. Now, I don't know if it's because they're coming back and trying to say, well, why is AMC sustaining these levels? If they're coming back and they're saying, is the short squeeze around the corner? If they're coming back and saying, well, maybe I should buy some AMC stock. I don't exactly know what the terms behind those are or what the intentions behind those searches are, but more people are searching for AMC stock. Therefore, demand. You guys can go out and see it too. The price is extremely positively correlated with the amount of search volume and in the price there. There's an extreme positive correlation. So knowing that, seeing articles like this saying that retail investors are leaving, I mean, it's an absolute lie, okay? It's not true. In fact, you know, the apes are staying and more retail investors are becoming interested in what's going on with AMC. And to the other point, okay, this other article, we should expect to see this other article on a weekly basis, if not daily. AMC stock is doomed to fall, okay? Now, please pay attention for the next, 30 seconds or whatever, because I agree that AMC stock is doomed to fall. But I think AMC stock is doomed to fall post-squeeze. Why? I don't think that after running up to these ridiculous price expectations we have, and if we hold out, we will reach these price levels. If the apes don't give up and the hedge funds go to cover, they will have to offer us whatever price we want, okay? So assuming that scenario takes place and that you guys don't go out and give up and leave me here standing by myself, then we are doomed to fall. But we are going to be falling from the top of the mountain. Okay? And why? Because eventually, when the apes leave and the retail and the FOMO buyers are gone, The stock will return to the value that institutional investors are willing to hold it at. Remember when this all started? Wanda was a just vast majority stakeholder in AMC. Okay, and that was around the $5 level, and they ended up getting out around the $14.50 level because that's what they valued AMC at. Institutional investors typically buy companies because of one of two reasons. One, the fundamental analysis. They believe that this stock is worth more than it is currently trading for, and they will go out and buy it because of that. Another reason an institutional investor will buy a stock is that because they believe the momentum will carry it higher. Now, that's a little bit of a more risky trade, other than doing your fundamental analysis and buying because of the actual, worth that you can come up with or the value of the company. But those are the two reasons that you would buy a stock. Now, AMC stock is beyond that at this point. AMC stock is trading on the speculation of a short squeeze. That is why the apes are still here. That is why the price is above the fundamental value of the company. And eventually, after the short squeeze takes place, and the apes have made their life-changing money, and we decide to sell AMC stock because that day will happen, the price will come back down. Now, clearly, if we never sell, if we're just Elon Musking it right now and we hold the stock for the rest of our lives, then yes, the stock price will sustain those levels. But I think it's safe to assume we will sell AMC stock and book these profits at some point. And when that happens, all of these analysts, they're going to be able to pat themselves on the back and say, ooh, AMC fell 98% today. Ooh, it was falling 98% from, a $3,000 price point. Okay. Like, who cares? It fell from these ridiculously high levels that provided us with all of the life-changing money that we set out to achieve in AMC stock. So allow them that, but do not allow articles like this to just cause any sort of fear, uncertainty, or doubt. You guys know that stands for FUD. Do not allow any of that to creep into your mind, because that is exactly what they want. That is what the hedge funds and the media wants to instill in everybody is, maybe it won't do what we thought it was going to do. And then you sell, and it goes right back down and bails them out. Guys, we are holding hand in hand. We together stand so strong that they have to just lie in order for us to sell AMC stock. So do not believe it. Guys, in the comments below, let us know what you think. If this stuff is just nonsense, if you're holding no matter what, and you believe that AMC stock is going to trigger the mother of all short squeezes. And if that button is still red, make sure to click and subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You can use the links, Webull, Gemini, Binance down in the description if you're into stocks and crypto. And then until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.